Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to create desktop shortcuts in your Windows desktop. So it's very simple. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is I'm going to create, as you can see, I have Excel Word, but I can't access it for my desktop. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to search Word, okay, right here, right click on it and click on open file location. Here I'm just going to right click on that, on the Word, and then go to send to desktop, which creates a shortcut in my desktop. So you can do this for how many applications you want to, and it creates a shortcut on my desktop. So that's how to create a shortcut on your desktop of any application, guys. So yeah, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.